Hello and welcome. I'm Simo Soini from Axopar Boats. Today we're going to talk about Axopar's next step in its digitalization journey, the Axopar Digital Product Passport, what it is and what it means for the boat owner. In short, the Axopar Digital Product Passport provides a digital identity for the boat and a set of benefits for the boat owner. Firstly, the Axopar Digital Product Passport includes verified and transparent information on your boat throughout its life cycle, such as what was installed on the boat at the factory or how many owners it has had. Additionally, it acts as a proof of authenticity of your boat, and as a concrete element of this, you will get an ownership certificate on your Google or Apple Wallet on your phone. In case you're selling your boat or buying a used Axopar, it still provides you the same transparency of both information and its history. And it gives you a method for formal transfer of ownership, enabling you to make the transaction with confidence. Axopar Digital Product Passport means also more simplified ownership of the boat through quick access to guidance, relevant documents, and support when you need it, instead of juggling through the paperwork or searching for physical documents. You will have everything you need on your boat in one secure digital place. At Axopar, our ambition is to make the boat ownership easier, more connected, and more transparent for every boater. Okay, so how does it work in practice? You can claim the ownership of the boat by scanning the NFC chip on the dashboard like this. It works similarly to paying with the mobile phone. After that, you key in your details to the phone and then unleash the full potential of the Axopar Digital Product Passport with a PIN code. After this, you will have the passport on your phone whenever you need it, wherever you are. Let's dive deeper into the details of the Axopar Digital Product Passport. It includes the product details and all the technical details of your boat. It additionally includes all the factory installed information on the equipment, whether they're standard or optional. You will have the warranty information in the digital passport together with the expiration dates and recommendations on the support and maintenance. There are inspection details and certificates easily available. Additionally, as mentioned before, there is access to the owner's manuals and other documentation that you might need, as well as quick access to support whenever you need it. The digital passport acts as a convenient gateway to Axopar community. We encourage you to join, as you will receive updates, invitations to events, and other news, helping you feel more part of the community. This is of course all done respecting your notification preferences, as well making sure that your privacy is respected. What does this all mean in the big picture? Starting from early 2026, all new Axopar boats will have the NFC chip installed on the boat as a standard, and the Axopar Digital Product Passport ready to be claimed and taken into use by the boat owner. As with anything that Axopar does, we will be continuously improving and adding new features over time, such as making more comprehensive view to the service history or adding more transparency to the boat orders. Behind the Digital Product Passport is Aura Blockchain Consortium, a non-profit organization offering blockchain solutions to luxury brands. This means that your boat information is securely stored and unchangeable, yet with full transparency to you. With the Axopar Digital Product Passport, you will be part of the new standard in boating, where transparency, easy support, and digital convenience are the norm. Thank you for listening, and see you again.